Hey everybody, this is Joe from 4th Avenue Entertainment. Today I just wanted to start with a series of tutorials on how to build Gundam models. Now, Gundam model building is a big craze nowadays, and you may want to go ahead and actually jump into it, but you really don't know where to begin or how to start or what everything means. So here is, like I said, a series of videos that's going to maybe help you get pushed along that path on how to start and make an awesome Gundam model. Now, before we begin, I want to make absolutely sure that you understand that nothing that I say today is going to be gospel. It's not going to be the concrete way of ever doing a build. Gundam building, or Gunpla, or whatever you want to call it, is absolute freedom. You can do whatever you want. If I show you something, that's just the way that I know how to do it. You make your own version of it. Go buy anything you want. Here's my hands. Go and check out other people's videos to get their techniques and combine some. Maybe you'll find something new. Maybe you'll find something that works for this part here will not work for this part, and vice versa. Everything's going to be up to you. There is no rush to any of this stuff. Take your time. Enjoy it. That's supposed to be the number one thing about this hobby, is the enjoyment of building it, seeing it from beginning to end, and tweaking it to make it looking like your model. With that said, we're going to start with the actual models. And so this first video that I'm going to do is just the types of models that you can find, and then some of the extras that you may need to kind of tweak and finish that model. Some people will call it accessories. Some people will call it actually the hidden costs of this hobby. And depending on your viewpoint, it may go either way. But before we get to that, let's go do the actual grades of the models. Now, with Gundam models, you have different grades. There's mostly there's 4 of them. There's a high grade, a real grade, a master grade, and then a perfect grade. And the difference in the grade is shown in the price difference. First of all, very, very important, is the price difference between those, the plastic quality, the number of parts involved, the numbers of stickers involved, and the amount of time that you're going to need in order to complete the model. So what we'll do is we'll start at the bottom tier, and then we'll finish at the top tier. So bottom tier is what's called a high grade, and these, and I'll show you one here. This is the one that we're actually going to be doing from beginning to end in a number of videos that I'm going to do. This is a high grade. These ones are the least expensive models that you can choose. These are actually perfect starter kits to do. They don't cost very much. Let's see, where's it at? Where did I put it? Oh, right here. So I don't know how good this comes off on camera here, and I apologize, but the price on this one was $8.99 from my hobby store. These are great to just have as a starting point. They don't have many parts. They don't have many stickers. These, you can literally get these done in a couple of hours, and after that you can figure out, do you want to continue on, or if you want to just jump off and not do any more. I mean, you're out $9, and you still have an awesome looking robot model to display for everybody to see. But the plastic quality on this isn't as good as a real grade or a master grade or perfect grade, but still pretty darn good. Better than some actual mass-produced Hasbro toys that you find in Target or Walmart. And so, high grades. Very recommendable for starting. Depending on where you live and what kind of hobby store you have, or finding them online, you can, like I said, this one was $9. Normally it's about $12. But you can find them anywhere from about $10 to $20. Not that expensive in the grand scheme of things. Very good to start. So, recommend high grades to start with. Now, after you do one, or if you want to move up to the next level, you have, let me grab this one here, real grade. Disclaimer, eyes do not light up. These ones here, they are a little bigger than a completed, I should say. Completed, they are bigger than a high grade. High grades are about 5 to 6 inches tall. Real grades are about 7 to 9. Master grades can anywhere from about 9 to 13 inches tall. And then perfect grades can be as tall as 2 feet. But there's a reason for that, and we'll get into that when I start talking about perfect grades. The plastic quality is better than a high grade. There are more parts, there are more stickers, there are more colors, there's more plastic, there are more accessories, and so you want to probably do a couple high grades before a real grade. But these can run from $25 to about $45, again, depending on where you go. So again, there's real grade. Now, the next one is master grade. These ones definitely test your model capabilities here. These ones here, again, better quality, more parts, more weapons, more stickers. They are more expensive. They can go from anywhere between $60 to $120, depending on what model you choose. So here is a master grade. Box is definitely bigger than all of them. So that is the master grade. Now, perfect grade is the perfect model to use. Unfortunately, I do not have one. Reason being is that those can run anywhere from $180 to $400. And they take the biggest skill to make them look perfect. I'm actually scared to do a perfect grade. So those are the 4 major types of models. They do have ones that are called no grade or oversized, which that might come down the road a bit, but the high grade, real grade, master grade, perfect grade are the 4 main ones that you're going to find at any hobby store. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to stop the video here, upload it, and then part 1B is going to be all of the little accessories and little things that you may need to work on your Gundam model. So I will see you in the next video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.